Do you know? Taste, smell, sight, hear and touch. Do you know? I can taste with my tongue, with my tongue, with my tongue. I can taste with my yummy chocolate. I can smell with my nose, with my nose, with my nose. I can smell with my lovely red rose. I can see with my eyes, with my eyes, with my eyes. I can see with my eyes the rainbow in the sky. I can hear with my ears, yes, with my yes, I can hear with my symphony of the birds. I can feel with my hands, with my hands, with my hands. I can feel with my hands the silky of the sand. These are five senses, five senses, five senses. These are